Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Drive sharing permissions to prevent data leaks. Complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the file or folder you wish to share and right-click on it. Select Share from the context menu that appears. In the Sharing Settings window, enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with. Adjust the permissions by selecting either Viewer, Commenter, or Editor from the drop-down menu next to each email address. To further enhance security, click on Settings in the top right corner of the Sharing Settings window. Ensure the option Editors can change permissions and share is unchecked to prevent unauthorized sharing. Additionally, consider unchecking Viewers and Commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. When satisfied with the settings, click Send to share the file or folder with the specified individuals. To review or change sharing settings later, right-click on the file or folder again and select Share. In the Sharing Settings window, you can remove individuals by clicking the X next to their email. To check who has access, scroll down to the People with Access section. If you wish to make your file available to anyone with the link, click Get Link. Ensure to set the link sharing permissions according to your security needs. You can choose Restricted, anyone with the link, or set specific permissions for the link. Remember, the safest option is often to keep it set to Restricted. With these steps, you can effectively manage and authorize Google. Regularly review your sharing settings to maintain security over time. By following these instructions, you can prevent data leaks and ensure only the intended individuals have access to your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.